Snap pictures or video live during the watch party. Come on, turtle friends, thank you. And if things get too wild, walk. Do not stampede to dog on your legs. Here we go. Glasses on, everyone. Let's get wild. Clap your paws. Stop the move. Time to hear you roar. Because we're live in 3, 2,
from across Zootopia, an unforgettable concert finale from superstar your host, me, Heidi Howler. Happy Zoogether Day! Today we celebrate our communal existence, our shared environment, and our sacred responsibility to party! And surprise, one of you will kick off the show as our Zoogether Day VIZ. So hurry up, Carlos, yes?
Oh, good.
No, the slot.
Me? Oh, I'm so excited.
Now, whatever it is, come on up. And what's your name, my spotted friend?
Benjamin Clawhauser.
Benji, you have the best seat in the house to watch it all go down. Now your job, press that big red button. Be responsible, that's totally standard. Okay.
This one.
No, careful. The plastic one. Don't miss the camera.
The giant blinking one.
Yes.
Wow.
Oh, this is gonna be a blast.
Miss Howler, are you okay? Say what?
Read the prompter.
Okay. Oh, Country Town. No. Oh, there it is. Please welcome our cold weather correspondent, Cosmo. Kozlov.
Predator, prey, ice dancings, balance of nature, together strong like mother. White snowflakes on fire.
Oh, wow. Judy, Nick.
Hauser, did you do this?
I have no idea.
Just breathe, big guy, okay? Hey, try counting your spots.
Nick, I think we may be looking at criminal sabotage.
Yep, no ifs, ands, or buts. Except that button. Partner, you want to grab a leg?
Detectives Fox and Wilde investigating the news.
Well, I'm sure she's fine.
Nick, the other celebrations could be endangered. Clawhauser, where to next?
Oh, on to Marsh Market.
Got it.
Stay sharp, donuts.
Oh, donuts. No, stay focused. On to Marsh Market. Celebrating the life-giving waters that give us all weather together.
The march just tried out. Why sabotage Zoogether Day?
Okay, Jared, I'll check the pipes while you interview the witnesses.
I can help you.
Nibbles! We need to know if anyone saw anything.
Okay. Hey, Bub.
Hey, Bub.
Hey, Bub.
Hey, Bub.
Hey, Bubba.
Hey, Bubba. Hey, Bubba. Hey, Bubba.
Say who did this?
Seriously? Oh, it's locked with wool.
And my face.
Where to next, Clawhauser?
Little Rodentia.
Time to make like a tree.
Bar. Let's move on. You save lives. I
I knew it! But why?
Oh, Judy! Next is concert!
We're in pursuit! Zootopia! It says, you floating animals! Happy Zoogether Day!
Hey, look at that buffalo! Oh, gee, Bogo! But you said you were going to a security conference!
I'm undercover.
Hey, Chief!
I admire your confidence, sir.
What in the wild animal kingdom is going on?
Saving Zoogether Day, Chief!
Hey! Want to shed your inhibitions?
Oh, no thanks!
If his head has a lot of flies, you should see him.
Wait! What? They're gonna ruin the finale!
Judy? Gazelle? Oh, we lost the connection! Another tale about connection!
Oh.
Oh! Miss Howler! Zoogether Day is ruined!
Really? Yeah!
Not the reaction I was expecting.
Hey, Heidi! Hello, Bellwether.
Sheep in wolf's clothing. Clever.
Oh, well done, Judy. You just love figuring stuff out, don't you?
Hey, can we skip the monologue?
Oh, let's all work together. Let's make the world a better place. Blah, blah, blah. Sheep.
Case closed.